everyone, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be looking at the Nothing Phone 1. Now, the Nothing Phone 1 is going to be released / announced on July 12th of 2022. So it's very, what's the date today? It's 30th of June, so it's going to be in about 12 days. The announcement for the phone should be here. Well, the time of recording this video is at least 30, so if you're watching it on a later date such as 5 or 6, hey, you're luckier because the release date's sooner. Now, my complaints regarding the phone is due to its resolution. I really want them to do a better resolution quality because a lot of the flagship devices nowadays, they really got like, 1440p displays and all that stuff, 2K in other example. Some phones even go up to 3x4, like 3160p, like something like that, but still, they could have done a better job with the resolution. Not gonna lie, because 1080p on a phone nowadays, I mean, yeah, it works, but using Samsung for a long time, I'm just spoiled in a sense. The battery being 4500 milliampere is absolutely perfect. Love that. The screen, 6.55 inches. It's big enough for a lot of people, but still, if it's gonna be 6.55 inches, might as well have a very good screen, right? The OS it's gonna be using is gonna be Android 12 with Nothing OS. So it's gonna be a Nothing OS skin. It's gonna be the same like how Samsung has their One UI, so something like that. So other than that, there's nothing really that interesting. It's gonna have a 50 megapixel 4K camera, so yeah, and it's gonna be able to record in 4K 30 FPS. That's good. That's like decent enough. It's gonna be a mid-tier phone, so like I guess it's okay. It's not gonna be a flagship device. I really want to see them release something like flagship-ish, like a Nothing Phone 1 Pro, that's gonna have all the flagship specs. Something like that would really be interesting coming out of nothing. So, yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.